Good morning, welcome to MarineMax Boston. My name is Dan Thompson. Today we're going to be taking a look at Azimut 77S. One thing I love about this boat, it's got a little something for everyone, from its very large tender garage, which has its own Williams jet tender, but also room for your own personal watercraft. So come aboard, let's take a look. As we enter the cockpit, you'll notice plenty of seating for everyone, as well as lounging. You also have a grill, ice maker, and refrigerator, and as well as your cockpit controls for easy docking. We'll take a quick look at the bridge so you can get a scope of this beautiful boat, and we'll head into the salon. One thing to note before we head in is the boat has a very large cruise quarters, which is accessed right around the corner here on the port side. It's got its own bunk room for crew as well as the captain. It does have a full separate washer dryer down there, and there is another washer dryer inside as well. So come on into the salon, we'll take a look. As you notice, all the wonderful windows giving you great access to see outside the boat. You have a beautiful glass dining room table. Nice L-shaped seating, ottoman. My personal favorite is your midship door on your starboard side. This gives you great access to the bow as well as the stern when you're operating the boat with limited crew. At almost 80 feet long, having that door makes it feel like a much smaller boat. And with the triple IPS, makes it real easy to handle around the dock. As we head down into the cabins, it's a 4-cabin, 3-head layout. A beautiful galley on the port side with a large storage underneath for all your supplies. As you move forward into the VIP stateroom, again, great natural light, its own private in-suite. Just to the port, we have the 3rd stateroom. Starboard, we have the 4th stateroom and your day head. And as we move aft, the fully appointed midship master. This room has a beautiful walk-in with bidet and full-size shower. To the port, you have a walk-in closet. Also, one of Azimut's beautiful touches is hiding the big screen TV behind the mirror. So, thank you for taking the tour through with me. My name is Dan Thompson from MarineMax Boston. My cell phone is 978-375-1584. If you have any questions about this boat or any others in our fleet, just let me know, and have a great day.